Listen to these examples.
My key is on the table.
My keys are on the table.
The baby is happy.
The babies are happy.
Now it's your turn. Speak when you hear the bell.
This cherry is ripe.
These cherries are ripe.
My key is on the table.
My keys are on the table.
This city is famous.
These cities are famous.
That story is very nice.
Those stories are very nice.
This box is heavy.
These boxes are heavy.
The bus is late.
The buses are late.
That watch is very expensive.
Those watches are very expensive.
The dish is in the cabinet.
The dishes are in the cabinet.
That dress is new.
Those dresses are new.
This sandwich is delicious.
These sandwiches are delicious.
The toy is under the bed.
The toys are under the bed.
The baby is happy.
The babies are happy.
What is the rule? Leave a comment below.
1 key, 2 keys. 1 toy, 2 toys.
1 baby, 2 babies. 1 story, 2 stories. 1 cherry, 2 cherries. 1 city, 2 cities.
1 box, 2 boxes. 1 dish, 2 dishes. 1 watch, 2 watches. 1 bus, 2 buses. 1 dress, 2 dresses.
Are there any questions? Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.